Mbere ya igoti ikaru kiroko kia umuthi, wakiri George Oraro uria rugamirire munene wa watho bururi-ini Kihara Kariuki na wakiri Kindiki uria rugamirire munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto mauma na ihinda rito gucokia kiuria kia mucirithania Smoking Wanjala gia kana kanju ya kibururi igii ugitiri niyamenyite maumirira magiturwo kia upresident mbere ya gikaro na muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati maumirira maya matananirirwo
30 minutes.
Kuringana na wakiri Kindiki, matanya ma mucemanio wa ameba ana akanju ino na muikariri giti wa kamitii ya IEBC Wafula Chebukati mari kugarura maumirira ma giturwa kia upresident.
This four went to the National Tallying Center not for any other reason but to try to interfere with the declaration of results and thereby try to alter the sovereign will of the people of Kenya, which had already been verified and tallied in accordance with Article 138(3)(c).
Kindiki augite ana aya ni mamenyete maumirira ma githurano giki kuona hau kabere Chebukati ni andikire ahuraniri othe agiturwo kia upresident akimuria gwikinyia nyumba-ini ya mucemanio ya Bomas thaa 9 cia hwaini riria muhotani atanyite kwanirirwo.
My client already had received that invitation. I believe the other presidential candidates had those letters.
Ona kuhanoro uguo, Oraro ni ateanirie wira uria uheanitwo ni Kindiki akiuga kuringana na wira uria uheanitwo no gekirwo kirore ni muikariri giti wa kamitii ya IEBC wonanitie ati utari wa kura ciothe ndwarikirire hindi ya mucemanio na kanju ino na uguo ona Chebukati we mwene ndamenyaga muhotani no.
After the NSAC team had left, the Commission Secretary, Chief Executive Officer, who was also the alternate team leader of the Tallying Center, Majan Hussein, walked into the boardroom. Yeah. The purpose of the meeting was to receive the final tally of the results of the presidential elections before he could proceed to declare.
Oraro ni oritie igoti guteaniria wira uyu akiuga nduri na mithingi o yothe.
I had shouts from another friend on behalf of His Excellency the Deputy President of crucify them. In fact, this has indeed led to tweets today, and there are many, to various members of the NSAC telling them we shall revisit. This is what this type of allegation brings, and that is why I humbly request this court to look at the nature of the allegation, the burden on the people who are making the allegation, and dismiss them if there is no proof, and in my humble submission there is no proof.
Kuringana na kanju ino, mucemanio wao na Chebukati wari kwaririria ugitiri nyumba-ini ya mucemanio ya Bomas thutha wa urugari kwambatira gatagati ka arugamiriri a utari wa kura kuma miahungurani ya kiuteti o uria kamitii ino yacerithagiria kwanirirwo kwa maumirira maya. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
I return this to the judge.